in it, Isaiah. Ah! Yeah. Oh, he hit his head. Are you all right? Are you all right? He hit his head. Are you okay? He went back with his head. He didn't think the power of that thing. That thing just threw him back.
Pretty big up there. It just gets smaller down here. Oh my gosh.
You guys are insane. Okay, now sit down. Get in the waterfall again. Get in the waterfall. That's a lot of water. That's a lot of pressure there. So get your hand there, Isaiah.
Take your pants down.
There you go. There you go.
It'll pull your pants right off, Isaiah.
What?
No,
Pull
well.
your pants off. Make sure they're tight.
Come on, Nick, get in it again.
All right.
Watch your hand, Nate.
You guys are going to have to ride home naked.
Lay down in it like